Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add overlay effect in the Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. Now you can see create a design option on the top right corner. Click on it and select your desired design. Here I am choosing this mobile video. After that, you can see different options on the left side. Click on the uploads and here click on videos and upload your required video by clicking here. Now select your desired video. After your upload is completed, simply drag the video into the screen. The first video that you select is going to be the background video. Now click on elements and on the search bar type in overlay. Now click on videos and choose your desired effect. Here I am choosing this one. After that, resize this video into the screen. Now on the top you can see this option which is transparency. Click on it and reduce this to 30 to 40. After that, go to uploads again and upload the another video. Now resize this video. After that, again click on this transparency option and reduce the transparency value. Now if you play this video, you can see that the overlay effect has been added. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.